What I wish I knew years ago about my vacuum cleaner? It's something so simple, yet so often overlooked. We all want our homes to be clean and fresh, but sometimes our vacuum cleaners just don't seem to do the job as well as they used to. Have you ever wondered why? A deep clean makes all the difference. Yes, you heard that right. Just like any other appliance, your vacuum cleaner needs regular maintenance to perform at its best. Think of it as giving your vacuum a spa day. It's not just about emptying the dustbin, it's about getting into all those nooks and crannies where dirt and grime love to hide. A clean vacuum is a happy vacuum. When your vacuum is clean, it works more efficiently, and you'll notice the difference immediately. Your floors will be cleaner, and the air in your home will be fresher. Plus, a well-maintained vacuum lasts longer, saving you money in the long run. Did you know a dirty vacuum can lose suction power and spread dust and allergens all over your home? That's right. When your vacuum is clogged with dirt and debris, it can't do its job properly. Instead of picking up dust, it ends up blowing it back into the air, which can be especially problematic for those with allergies or asthma. Yuck! No one wants that. So, let's get started on giving your vacuum the deep clean it deserves. But before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to check out our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. First things first, unplug your vacuum. Safety first, folks. You don't want any accidents while you're cleaning. Gather your tools: a small brush, screwdriver, damp cloth, vacuum attachment, and a trash bag. Having everything you need on hand will make the process much smoother. Now empty that dustbin, all of it. Make sure there's no debris left behind. This is the first step to ensuring your vacuum can breathe easy again. Next, let's clean those filters. This is crucial because the filters are the heart of your vacuum. Clean filters keep your vacuum's suction strong and prevent dust from being recirculated into the air. If your filters are washable, rinse them under lukewarm water until the water runs clear. If they're not washable, consider replacing them if they look too dirty. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for cleaning and make sure to dry them thoroughly. Wet filters can lead to mold growth, which is something you definitely want to avoid. Moldy filters don't just smell bad, but can also be harmful to your health. Time for the body of the vacuum. This is where your brush and attachments come in handy. Use your brush and attachments to get into those tricky spots: the hose, nozzle, and wheels. These areas can get clogged with hair, dust, and other debris, which can affect your vacuum's performance. Remember, just a damp cloth for the exterior. You don't want to use too much water, as it can damage the electrical components inside. No water, just a light wipe to remove any dust and grime. Bonus tip: clean the power cord with a damp cloth to keep it grime-free. A dirty power cord can be a fire hazard, so it's important to keep it clean. It can also spread dirt and grime on your carpet and walls as you vacuum. Reassemble your vacuum, making sure everything clicks into place. Take your time to ensure everything is properly aligned and secure. Test it out and feel the difference. You'll be amazed at how much better your vacuum performs after a deep clean. Remember, regular maintenance will keep your vacuum in top shape and avoid costly repairs. A little effort goes a long way in ensuring your vacuum serves you well for years to come. Leave us a comment below telling us how you clean your vacuum. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.